M2 Technologies is a process and manufacturing consulting firm. Our vision is to bring technology from companies such as Autodesk and Panzora to meet today's problems while also keeping an eye out towards tomorrow's possibilities. M2 Technologies always wants to partner with companies that are looking for long-term relationships. I'm proud to say that GSSI is one of a number of companies that we've got nearly a 20-year history with.
At GSSI, we design and manufacture ground-penetrating radar equipment. We sell our products all over the world, and we're the leader in the technology. So GSSI started working with M2 really when 3D CAD started to make the big push. Since it was such a new technology that we were looking to at the time, we really needed a technical partner, somebody with technical staff on hand that we could ask questions and kind of work through any hiccups that we might run into. One of our biggest challenges, and I think for a lot of manufacturing companies, is the transfer of design from engineering to manufacturing. What we're leveraging M2's help right now on is that release process of basically how do we control the design through the design phase, document everything, and then effectively transfer that down into production.
The relationship with GSSI and M2 Technologies very much mirrors, I think, each company's individual growth. What started off as us being a CAD vendor for them has really grown into trusted advisors, working with them on process optimization, long-term technology rollouts. It's really about taking what we can get accomplished today, but also keeping an eye on the future, really understanding where technology is heading, in partnership with our clients, understanding where they're trying to go and create a roadmap that creates sustainable success.